I had the opportunity this afternoon to further some of the environmental initiatives. Currently at the waste management facility we have a number of very active recycling activities taking place out there. We have the concrete crushing, and much of the concrete that's actually crushed out there is actually actively used as sub-base for construction. There's 1,000 cubic metres actually utilised for the construction of the new composting facility out there. Further, that material is being actively used for stabilisation of roads and pads around the facility itself. In respect to green waste is another ongoing activity at the waste management facility. It's mechanically shredded, and more recently we have had some of the stockpile out there, but now we're able to actually utilise through a local company, composting company. About 85% of the green waste is actually going to a composting company over at Urella. Further to that, we're looking to utilise a component of green waste in the new organics facility, and for the small remainder that may still be out there, we actually invite people from the council, the general public, to avail themselves of that material, actually free of charge, which could be handy for some people. E-waste, long term, that's been quite an issue and a difficult one to resolve in terms of recycling. Particularly computers and TVs. We're now in a fortunate position of being able to recycle about 100% of this e-waste, and much of it is actually broken down for its plastics component, but also for its metals in particular gold and copper aspects. In further to that, steel extraction. And look, anyone who would like to go out to the waste management facility at any stage to view these activities, I'm sure that can be arranged. But steel extraction is another recycling activity which is taking place. Most of that is actually broken down, extracted mechanically with a magnet, and shipped downstate down to One Steel, where it's reprocessed into second-grade steels. Okay, now away from the operational and into the more recent regional waste collection contract. As you virtually all know, I should think that we've recently had a contract to Trans-Pacific Cleanaway. It's a $11 million contract which will roll out over 10 years. It's a collaborative contract between Moree Shire Council, Narrabri Council and WIDA, so we're actually getting considerable efficiencies through that collective collection contract. We've seen the rollout of the new red bins, the yellow bins, green bins and the kitchen caddies. So this is the key component of this transition and this change into a new recycling process, is that we're actually going to gain significant space within the existing landfill. We're looking towards about 30 to 40% saving on landfill, which is very, very significant in terms of the costs to the organisation, cost savings to the organisation. The other upside of this program, amongst the many upsides, is that we're now seeing further employment of 67 people actively within that new rollout. Many of you will have noticed, if you've been down the highway to Narrabri, that there's quite a semi-imposing new purpose-built recycling transfer station combined with a new organics composting facility, which has been constructed out there. The recycling component, which is your yellow bin component, is taken from the recycling facility and is sent down to Narrabri, where it's actually further sorted through what's known as Challenge Disability Centre. The component, the organics composting component, is actually the activity essentially for Moree Shire Council. Again, this is really exciting, new and innovative technology that's taking place with this composting facility. Your organic waste and your green waste is being put over an aerated system where you actually have a semi-permanent membrane covering that. It's monitored for oxygen, for temperature, and it's run as an aerobic environment, so you're getting a very high quality compost output from that facility. I would say that that's technology it's a first for Australia, so Moree Plains can tick that one off as another first, and also we're likely to see a lot of visitations to the waste management facility to view that new composting structure. The composting material essentially will go out for use for agricultural and horticultural purposes. Okay, just passing on to Lester. Thank you.